Ever feel like your rent payment goes into a black hole? You pay it religiously every month, but it does nothing for your credit score? That's because, unlike credit card payments or loans, rent isn't automatically reported to credit bureaus. This can be a major pain point, especially for young adults or newcomers to Canada trying to build a solid credit history. But fear not, renters of the world. There is a way to turn your on-time rent payments into credit-boosting magic. In this video, we'll be diving deep into Borrowell's Rent Advantage program, a renter's best friend when it comes to building credit. So, how exactly does Borrowell's Rent Advantage work? Here's the breakdown. Rent Advantage 101. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, your landlord. Thankfully, with Borrowell, you don't need your landlord's involvement to report your rent. That's right, no awkward conversations or hoops to jump through. Borrowell takes care of everything on their end. Here's what you'll need to do. Sign up for Borrowell Rent Advantage. The process is straightforward, you can do it all online. Once you're signed up, you'll need to provide your lease details. This includes things like your rent amount, lease start and end date, and your landlord's information, though they won't be contacting them. The magic happens here. You'll connect your bank account that you use to pay rent. This allows Borrowell to track your rent payments automatically. Now, some of you might be thinking, what if my rent payment fluctuates? No worries, Rent Advantage can handle that too. You'll simply log into the Borrowell app each month to confirm your rent amount. Building credit with Rent Advantage. Alright, so you've signed up and connected your accounts. Now comes the real question, how does this actually help your credit score? The answer is simple, on-time rent payments get reported to Equifax, one of Canada's major credit bureaus. These positive reports contribute to your credit history, showing lenders you're a responsible borrower. This, in turn, can lead to a higher credit score, which unlocks a world of financial benefits. Think lower interest rates on loans, better deals on credit cards, and even getting approved for that sweet apartment you've been eyeing. Rent Advantage essentially turns your rent payments, something you already do anyway, into a credit-building tool. But wait, there's more. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Rent Advantage. Missed payments are also reported. So, while Rent Advantage helps build credit with on-time payments, remember, late payments can hurt your score. There is a subscription fee associated with Rent Advantage. However, the potential boost to your credit score can outweigh the cost, especially if you're actively building credit. Rent Advantage, the takeaway. Borrowell's Rent Advantage program offers a convenient and effective way for renters to build credit by reporting on-time rent payments. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require landlord involvement and provides a clear path to a healthier credit score. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.